Namaste everyone, welcome to Nirmiti by Ratna. Today is our 13th episode and myself Rituparna. We are showing today Telia cotton. So coming to the first sari, this is all Telia cotton special today. The first sari of the episode. This is the sari, the palla is black with woven buttas. The lower border is black with zigzag buttas. Upper border is a beautiful vermilion red. The entire sari is like this. This is the pallu, this is the front. आप देख सकते हो ये पल्लू है, ये फ्रंट ऑफ द साड़ी है. एंटायर साड़ी विल बी रनिंग लाइक दिस, कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऑफ रेड, ब्लैक एंड वाइट. इट्स अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट कलर. तेलिया कॉटन का बहुत ही स्पेशल कॉम्बिनेशन है इसमें. दिस साड़ीज डोंट कम मोस्टली विद ब्लाउज, सो आप कॉन्ट्रास्ट कोई भी 3 टोन्स में से कोई भी ब्लाउज आप मैचिंग पहन सकते. मैंने भी कुछ ऐसा ही आज tried to give you a look that I also wore a blouse which is not a blouse of the sari particularly. So these saris are like 3500 sari number 1 of today. Moving on to the second sari. This is a grey body with ऑफ वाइटिश बूटास जो आपके वीविंग में जा रहा है. पल्ला इज लाइक रेड, इट्स लाइक ए मैरूनिश रेड, ब्रिक रेड, एंड द वीविंग सूता जो है जा रहा है वो भी काफ़ी सटल नोट में है. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, ग्रेसफुल, एल्डरली पीपल के लिए परफेक्ट कलर टोन है. द एंटायर साड़ी इज लाइक दिस. पल्ला portion, front of the sari, I'm just holding. If you like, take screenshot. ये देखिए आपका पल्ला portion. Very beautifully woven Telia cottons, very comfortable summer के लिए. इन साड़ी में एकदम स्टार्च भी नहीं है तो एकदम सॉफ्ट है. This is also 3500. Moving on to the third sari, which I can see it's a mix of orange, red and a contrast of black. See, beautiful black palla and very beautiful body color, dual, it's like a dual tone color जैसा woven है. It's red, orange and a bit of peach, as you can appreciate the color tone में बहुत beautiful है. Usually इतना mix color tone in woven is very very unique piece. Trying to drape. This is the pallu. This is the front. Very beautiful color, isn't it so? कि ज़्यादा red भी नहीं है, orange and red का mix, it's giving it very dual color. Price of the sari is 3500, sari number 3. If you like, take screenshot. Sari number 4, रामा ग्रीन कलर का बॉर्डर है. पल्लू भी रामा ग्रीनिश. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वूवन पल्ला with self whitish रामा ग्रीन ही बोल सकते हैं ये. बॉडी में वेरी ब्यूटिफुल नक्शा ऑफ केरी रनिंग डायगनली. आप देखो डिज़ाइन पूरे साड़ी में डायगनली रन कर रहे हैं. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कलर. जिनको रेड नहीं पहनना, फॉर देम इट्स वेरी आइडियल कलर. सी, दिस इज़ द पल्लू and this is the body. I guess सबको लुक समझ में आया होगा. This is also 3500. Blouse piece are not there, as I am saying. You have to wear any kind of a contrast designer cotton blouses or any printed matching mix and match blouses. Very beautiful for summer. Moving on to the 5th sari. Wow, this is such a vibrant bright yellow but with a subtle grey, very graceful. See the pallu, it's very beautiful yellow with naksha of white diamond bootas. तेलिया कॉटन के जैसा पैटर्न होते हैं बूटास में, वैसे ही. The body is beautiful grey. It's a very office में भी आप पहन सकते हो because it's a very smart साड़ी. Summers के लिए very smart. Just trying to drape it. See, this is the look. The साड़ी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ग्रे है, not very dark. The yellow is very bright, beautiful summer yellow एकदम. You can team it up with any color from this sarees, so it will be very nice. साड़ी नंबर 5 है ये, and the price is 3,500. Moving on to the 6th saree. Wow, this is amazing color. जैसे मैं खोल रही हूँ, I'm also discovering. This is the pallu, black color, zigzag. Wow, this is a unique green line kind. Very new leaf वाला green color है with a gradation black border. इसके ऊपर एक white skirting design pattern. In the lower border is little broad and the upper border is the black. The entire saree is, this is the palla. The entire saree, as I was saying, the lower border is broader and the upper border is only one single black. Price is 3,500. Very unique green. If you like, take screenshot. Number 6 saree. Moving on to the 7th saree. This is also a very beautiful violet blue बोल सकते हैं, not blue. This is little violetish blue. This is the pallu. Wow. And that is the lower border, which is the same violet border both side. And there is yellow ochre and ये checks आपका ऊपरी हिस्से में आएगा. This will be the lower side of the saree. This is the upper side of the saree. Isn't it very beautiful? जिनको बहुत yellow पसंद है, I think it's a very ideal and very beautiful contrast with the violet blue. The woven palla is standing very beautiful. ये आपका gradation में ऐसे आएगा. If you like, just take screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, and then we will follow up with you. If you like, do the payments from any UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and our banking details if at all you don't have UPI. Saree number 8, which is I'm wearing. As you can see, the palla is black color, zigzag woven border, woven zigzags, and it has a gradation of black, red, and thoda temple. I'm wearing with a matching blouse, like not from the saree, so आप भी कर सकते हो ऐसे. ये I'm wearing from House of Nirmiti only. This is our designer blouses. Once we will do a shoot on that also. So as you can see, the palla is black and the border of the saree, lower border is broad, and then we have little off-white, and then the upper border is only black. Okay, this is also 3,500. If you like it, take a screenshot, and send it to us. Moving on to the 9th sari. This is also very beautiful red color. As you can see, this is not maroon, this is a vermilion red, bright color red with zigzag weaving in the middle, and we have broad border from both the sides. I'm going to drape it. See, this will be the look of the sari. We have broad border on both the sides and grey in between. It's a very unique combination all over. Tall people, आप लोगों के लिए एकदम बहुत ग्रेसफुल लगेगा जब आप पहनेंगे, because it has very beautiful borders, broad borders, upper and lower, and the pallu is black. You can team it up with any black blouse or any dual color of black and red. Price of the sari is 3,500. Moving on to sari number 10. Palla is red, borders are red, body is very subtle grey. ये उस वाले grey से काफ़ी different है, more lighter I should say, and we have beautiful border, lower border, which is a geometric but floral also, weaving में, very intricate border. I'll just try to put it across. को लुक बता देते हैं एक बार. This is the pallu, this is the body. Very beautiful subtle grey with contrast red. ये अलग किस्म का ही रेड है, वीविंग के धागे का एक. प्राइस ऑफ द साड़ी इज 3,500. Pallu is like this, border is like this. Moving on to the 12th sari, which our mannequin is wearing. It's one of a standout piece. As you can see, it has lines of red and white, contrast black border. Palla is a gradation of all the three colors, black, white and red. So this has blouse piece with it, which is a black color blouse piece. If you like, take a picture of the mannequin and send it to us. This is 3,800. Very beautiful. All over these lines are running, contrast, BP. When the black BP will come, the look will be like this only. This is our 12 number sari. This is 11 sari, which I think I have missed out. This is a red and black combination sari. So this have pallu, which are like panels and bootas in between. There is all over boota, a heart shape kind of a boota. I'm going to drape it. See, this is the pallu, this is the front of the sari. These bootas are all over. This price of the sari is 3,500. 11 number sari. If you like, take a screenshot. These are all Telia cotton, very light, very soft, and they are like summer saris. Moving on to the last sari, which is 13 number. 12 number is our mannequin is wearing. I've already said about it. This is also similar but doesn't have a black. It is completely red. The pallu is here with bands of white, off-white and red. Just gonna drape it. You can team it with a contrast designer printed blouse. बहुत सारे options है of like that. Or you can wear it with a naked black, as I am wearing on check naked black. आपको वैसे भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट किसी ब्लाउज के साथ पहन सकते हो, या इसका खुद का एक रेड बीपी है. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ रेड बीपी अलॉन्ग विद इट. वेरी स्मार्ट, simple but very smart, very elegant, unique of weaving pattern, Telia cottons. Price of the sari is 3,800. This is the palla and that's the red BP which you can see. This is the red BP blouse piece along the sari. Repeating the sari once again, this is the body of the sari. This is the pallu, this is the body. So ये था हमारा last sari, 13 number sari of today, which is 3,800. We come with our videos every Saturday, you must be knowing by now. And please like and subscribe our channel and keep watching. Enjoy our collection, give reviews. We will be waiting for your comments always. Thank you so much.